Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're a cat owner, you know that grooming is an important part of keeping your cat healthy and happy. However, some cats are afraid of grooming, and this can make it difficult to keep them clean and well-groomed. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks for dealing with a cat that is afraid of grooming. Tip number 1, start slowly. The key to grooming a scared cat is to start slowly. Begin by stroking your cat gently with your hand or a soft brush. This will help your cat get used to the sensation of being touched and groomed. Once your cat is comfortable with this, you can start to introduce grooming tools such as combs and brushes. Tip number 2, use positive reinforcement. When grooming your cat, it's important to use positive reinforcement. This means rewarding your cat with treats or affection when they behave well during grooming. This will help your cat associate grooming with positive experiences, making them more likely to cooperate in the future. Tip number 3, make grooming a regular routine. Regular grooming can help your cat become more comfortable with the process. Make grooming a part of your cat's daily routine, and try to keep the grooming sessions short and positive. Over time, your cat will become more accustomed to grooming and may even start to enjoy it. Tip number 4, use treats and toys. Using treats and toys can be a great way to distract your cat during grooming sessions. Offer your cat a favorite toy or treat to keep them occupied while you groom them. This can help your cat relax and make the grooming process less stressful. Tip number 5, seek professional help. If your cat is extremely fearful of grooming, it may be best to seek professional help. A veterinarian or animal behaviorist can offer advice on how to safely groom your cat and may be able to recommend techniques to help your cat become more comfortable with grooming. One important thing to keep in mind is that cats are sensitive creatures, and they can pick up on our own emotions and stress levels. If you are feeling anxious or frustrated during grooming sessions, your cat may become more fearful or agitated. It's important to stay calm and patient during grooming, and to take breaks if either you or your cat become overwhelmed. Another tip for grooming a scared cat is to pay attention to their body language. Cats will often give subtle signals when they are feeling uncomfortable or scared, such as twitching their tail or flattening their ears. If you notice these signs, it's important to back off and give your cat some space. When introducing grooming tools, it can be helpful to let your cat sniff and investigate them first. This can help them become more familiar with the tools and reduce their fear. In addition to traditional grooming tools, there are also specialized grooming tools available for cats, such as soft grooming gloves or brushes with flexible bristles. These tools can be gentler on a cat's sensitive skin and may be more comfortable for a fearful cat. Finally, it's important to remember that every cat is different, and what works for one cat may not work for another. It may take some trial and error to find the best grooming techniques for your cat. But with patience, persistence, and a little bit of creativity, you can help your cat overcome their fear of grooming and keep them healthy and happy. Certainly. Here are a few more tips for dealing with a cat that is afraid of grooming. Create a comfortable grooming environment. Cats are creatures of habit and prefer routine. Create a comfortable and quiet space for grooming, and try to groom your cat at the same time every day. This can help your cat feel more relaxed and comfortable during grooming sessions. Use gentle restraint. Sometimes, gentle restraint can help keep a fearful cat calm during grooming sessions. This can be done with a towel or a specially designed grooming bag. However, it's important to be gentle and not restrain your cat too tightly, as this can cause them to become more fearful. Gradually increase the length of grooming sessions. Start with short grooming sessions and gradually increase the length of time you spend grooming your cat. This can help your cat become more accustomed to the process and reduce their fear. Use a calming pheromone diffuser. Calming pheromone diffusers, such as Feliway, can help reduce your cat's anxiety and stress levels during grooming sessions. These diffusers release a synthetic version of the pheromones that cats produce when they feel safe and secure. Consider a professional groomer. If your cat is extremely fearful of grooming, it may be best to seek the help of a professional groomer. A professional groomer can provide a safe and stress-free environment for grooming and may be able to provide additional tips and techniques for grooming a fearful cat. Remember, it's important to be patient and understanding when dealing with a cat that is afraid of grooming. With time and patience, you can help your cat become more comfortable with grooming and ensure that they stay healthy and happy. Certainly, here are a few more tips for dealing with a cat that is afraid of grooming. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your cat with treats or verbal praise during and after grooming sessions. This can help your cat associate grooming with positive experiences and make them more comfortable with the process. Use a distraction. Provide your cat with a distraction during grooming sessions, such as a toy or a puzzle feeder filled with treats. This can help keep your cat occupied and distract them from the grooming process. Use a grooming glove. Grooming gloves can be a gentle and effective way to groom a fearful cat. The gloves have small rubber tips that feel like a gentle massage to the cat's skin, and they can be less intimidating than traditional grooming tools. Introduce grooming gradually. If your cat is very fearful of grooming, it may be helpful to introduce the process gradually. Start by touching your cat with a soft cloth or brush and gradually introduce more grooming tools and techniques over time. Be consistent. Regular grooming is important for your cat's health and well-being, so it's important to be consistent with your grooming routine. Try to groom your cat on a regular basis, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. Certainly, here are a few more tips for dealing with a cat that is afraid of grooming. Use a grooming table. A grooming table can be a helpful tool for grooming a fearful cat. The table provides a stable surface for your cat to stand on, which can help them feel more secure and less anxious during grooming. Use a calming collar. Calming collars, such as the Sentry Calming Collar, can be a helpful tool for reducing your cat's anxiety during grooming sessions. These collars release pheromones that help calm your cat and reduce their stress levels. Break grooming sessions into smaller parts. If your cat is very fearful of grooming, it may be helpful to break your grooming sessions into smaller parts. For example, you could groom one part of your cat's body each day, such as their ears one day and their tail the next. Use grooming as a bonding experience. Grooming can be a great way to bond with your cat and build trust. Use grooming sessions as an opportunity to spend quality time with your cat and show them affection. Be aware of your own body language. Cats are very attuned to body language, so it's important to be aware of your own body language during grooming sessions. Try to remain calm and relaxed, and avoid making sudden movements or loud noises that could startle your cat. Remember, grooming a fearful cat can be a challenge, but with patience, persistence, and a gentle approach, you can help your cat become more comfortable with the process. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed, and remember to always prioritize your cat's comfort and well-being. Certainly, here are a few more tips for dealing with a cat that is afraid of grooming. Use a grooming partner. Having a friend or family member help you with grooming can be a helpful way to reduce your cat's anxiety. One person can hold and comfort the cat while the other person does the grooming. Use a grooming mat. Placing a grooming mat on a stable surface, such as a table or countertop, can provide a secure and comfortable surface for your cat to stand on during grooming sessions. Use a grooming wand. A grooming wand is a long, flexible stick with a toy or brush attached to the end. This can be a helpful tool for grooming a cat that is afraid of being touched directly. Use a gentle touch. When grooming a fearful cat, it's important to use a gentle touch and avoid pulling or tugging on their fur. Use a soft, gentle touch and stop immediately if your cat shows signs of discomfort. Consider sedation. In some cases, sedation may be necessary to safely groom a fearful cat. Talk to your veterinarian about the options for sedation and whether it's appropriate for your cat. Remember, grooming a fearful cat can be a slow and gradual process, but with patience and persistence, you can help your cat become more comfortable with the process. Always prioritize your cat's comfort and well-being, and don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. Conclusion. Grooming a scared cat can be a challenge, but with patience and persistence, you can help your cat become more comfortable with the process. Remember to start slowly, use positive reinforcement, make grooming a regular routine, and seek professional help if needed. With these tips, you can help your cat stay healthy and happy for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and like this video so that you will not miss the next video.